Here is how you can use the tracking feature in CapCut to see the subject of your video centered. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your CapCut application and start a new project. Now go ahead and import the video clips that you want to use and select the video and add it to your CapCut project. In the toolbar at the bottom, scroll right and select camera tracking. You will find between stabilize and extract audio. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here you'll get two different options of AI movement and camera tracking. Go ahead and tap on camera tracking option. Now choose what you want to track, a face, body, hands, or custom object. Let's go ahead and select custom object. Now you need to move the rectangle to the area you want to track. Select this face over here. Then tap on the track option that is in the bottom of the screen. The app will process your request and adjust the video to keep your chosen subject in the center. Now tap on continue. Now you can go ahead and play the video to see the results. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.